So MATIC is sitting at 35 cents right now, 35.3, and unfortunately it has entered an area where we cannot do anything about the levels of support. And I might have mentioned this previously, that if it loses the area of 37, then it is going to be an N area where we will go blind, and it did break 37 cents. And I told you that it is entering an area which is a new low on the graph. We have not seen this low before, which means that from technicals perspective, we are going blind right now on MATIC, which is now called POL. It's Polygon MATIC. They wanted to fix the name because the name is Polygon and the coin name is called MATIC, which is fancy. It's not something bad. My own project is like that. XRP is like that. They are Ripple, and the token is called, the coin is called XRP. They call it token, but it's a coin because the rule for to be a coin is to have your own blockchain, but they call themselves token to be appropriate in the eyes of SEC, and that's a whole debate on its own. Anyway, the thing is that now MATIC doesn't have any support to offer on the basis of TA, but based on how MATIC has done historically, I can offer a support, one line of support, one last support at 32 cents, which is not on the graph. This is, take it with a grain of salt. It can be massively inaccurate because there is not even TA to support. TA on its own is a probabilities game. It's not perfect. Nothing is perfect in financial markets, always remember that. But the thing is that 32 cents is something that there is not even TA, so I'm offering it on the basis of how the previous charts of Polygon MATIC has suggested. 32 cents is going to be the last line of support before it gets super bearish. As long as it doesn't break below 32 cents, you can expect it to go up and conquer the resistance of 37 cents. Right now it is sitting at 35, which means it is in the kind of in the middle. The resistance is at 37 cents. It needs to break above it, start living above it, and then we can say this resistance is gone, and then we can start talking about other stuff. If it is not able to break above 37 cents, then this thing is going to go and test 32. And there's nothing much to offer because it was a sideways move for quite a while. How long was this? This is from 1st of October up till now, so that's 23 days of sideways movement. It would have been good for a grid bot if someone had seen it. It continued to move in the ranges of, just a second, 38 cents and 36, 37, 38 and 37. So it was pretty much a move of 1 cent. Of course, it has going out wicks and doing drama, but it was not sustained. It was literally moving 1 cent up and down, which is not bad if you're trading. But the thing is, there's not anything else if you look at the chart that you could look at and then you could offer. That's pretty much it with the Polygon MATIC. I hope you are safe and you're not looking at its all-time high of $1. You're looking at this and then thinking, wow, this is what I'm going to go and grab. You need to understand this is stuck here and it's going to be a ride of its own. It's not going to be one candle move the way it dropped. So be on the safe side. You know the last line of support is at 32 cents. As long as 32 cents holds, you can expect it to go towards 37 and it will break. Once the market reverses, none of the resistances are going to hold. Our concern right now in the pullback of the market is, are the supports going to hold or not? We don't care about the resistances because we know that resistances are going to hold. They are very strong. That's the whole point of finding out direction. A lot of people, they go wrong in the market because they're not able to conclude the direction of the market. If you're wrong about the direction, your TA will not work. If you're right about the direction, you can have the most absurd TA, it will still work because you're clear on the direction. That's why they call it trend is your friend. If trend is downward and you know it, you will be right. If trend is upward, you know it, you will be right. So it's always good to find out what is the direction of the market, and we are in retracement. It's called pullback, or some people can call it downward trend as well.